Alpen Primel, scientifically known as Primula auricula, is a delightful perennial plant that belongs to the Primulaceae family. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you through the step-by-step process of successfully growing Alpen Primel from seed, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of this charming plant in your own garden. Step 1. Seed selection and preparation. To begin the journey of growing Alpen Primel from seed, it is crucial to select high-quality seeds. Look for reputable seed suppliers or specialist nurseries that offer a wide range of Alpen Primel varieties. Step 2. Soil preparation. Alpen Primel thrives in well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. Prepare a seed starting mix by combining equal parts of sterile seed compost, vermiculite, and perlite. This mixture ensures good drainage while retaining sufficient moisture. Fill small pots or seed trays with the prepared soil mix, leaving about half an inch of space at the top for watering. Step 4. Providing optimal growing conditions. After sowing the seeds, cover the pots or seed trays with a clear plastic lid or place them in a propagator to create a humid environment. Position them in a bright location, but avoid direct sunlight, as it may scorch the delicate seedlings. Aim for a consistent temperature range of 55 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 to 18 degrees Celsius, to promote successful germination. Step 5. Germination and seedling care. With the right conditions, Alpen Primel seeds typically germinate within 2 to 4 weeks. Once the seedlings emerge, remove the plastic cover and place them in a well-ventilated area to prevent damping of disease. Maintain moisture levels by misting the soil whenever it feels dry to the touch, but avoid overwatering, as it can lead to fungal issues. Step 6. Transplanting the seedlings. When the seedlings have developed their second set of true leaves, it is time to transplant them into individual pots. Gently lift the seedlings using a small spoon or transplanting tool, being careful not to damage the delicate roots. Plant each seedling in its own pot, filled with a well-draining potting mix, allowing sufficient space for root development. Step 7. Hardening off and planting out. Before planting your Alpen Primel seedlings outdoors, they need to undergo a process called hardening off. This involves gradually acclimatizing the young plants to outdoor conditions, such as wind, temperature fluctuations, and direct sunlight. Start by placing the seedlings outside in a sheltered spot for a few hours each day, gradually increasing the duration and exposure over a week or two. Step 8. Maintenance and care. To ensure the healthy growth of your Alpen Primel plants, provide regular watering to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Mulching around the plants can help retain soil moisture and suppress weed growth. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming and remove any yellowing or damaged leaves. Growing Alpen Primel from seed is an exciting and fulfilling process that allows you to witness the transformation from tiny seeds to beautiful flowering plants. By following the steps outlined in this comprehensive guide, you can cultivate healthy Alpen Primel seedlings and enjoy the vibrant colors and delicate charm they bring to your garden. With patience and proper care, your Alpen Primel plants will reward you with their stunning blooms year after year. Happy gardening!